2008 DRV Elite Suites RLSB for sale in Pound, Wisconsin 54161. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2008 DRV Elite Suites RLSB. This luxury fifth wheel is 38 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2008 DRV Elite Suites RLSB is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include marble countertops, 3 burner stove / oven / convection microwave fridge / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with 4 cherish seating, sliding pocket doors to divide the kitchen from the front, RoomFireplaceTelevisionSurround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoCable, ReadyPull out, SofaShowerOutside, ShowerMaster queen size BedStorage, DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceFive, brand new tires last summer, new batteries, and much more. This 2008 DRV Elite Suites RLSB is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2008 DRV Elite Suites RLSB fifth wheel can be yours.